Introducing the Rosedale Electric. Designed to easily retrofit into an existing masonry fireplace or build into a new space for a sleek custom look. Plus, with Napoleon's Choose Your Fuel strategy, both gas and electric Rosedale models fit the same rough framing, allowing you to frame now and decide on fuel later for incredible project flexibility. Multi-layer flame technology, a glowing split oak log set, and a modulating ember bed create a remarkably lifelike fire, while Miro Flame porcelain reflective brick panels enhances depth and intensity, keeping the flames the true focal point of the room. Choose between orange or yellow flames with 5 speed and brightness settings, plus 13 top light and 5 ember bed color options for personalized ambiance. Optional 3 or 4-sided backer plates, a trimmable backer plate, and a 3, 4-sided or arched faceplate ensure a tailored finished appearance. Eco Mode and Boost Mode let you prioritize energy savings or boost heat output to suit your comfort year-round. Control with the included remote, the Napoleon Home App, or integrate with your smart home system for hands-free voice control. Operating on 120 volt or 240 volt and delivering up to 10,000 BTUs of electric warmth, backed by a 5-year registered warranty.